Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this two fault codes. They're both the same, so P210100 P012200. So it's to do with the throttle body here, which is located right here. Let me just put this sensor back in, if I can put the sensor back in anyway. But so this is what this fault code means. It's this here. Reality is this has been heavily clogged up or it's packed in. Now we are going to do an actuation test and see if there is any movement. Usually if you will hear it. Let's start. I'm using the King Ball and K8 Pro, so actuation test finished, but I didn't hear any valves playing. So that tells me that there is internally something not right. It could be the fact that it's heavily clogged up. We'll open it up and look at it. If it is, it is. If not, then it's the component that's failed. And what we recommend is just buy an OEM original and just put it on. It's not the hardest thing to work on. It's pretty, not the easiest as well, I'll say, but it's right here. But we'll put a new one in OEM and hopefully take it from there, guys. We've managed to take it out, clean it all up, guys. It was heavily clogged. There was a lot of dirt in there, should we say. It's not the right terminology, but there was a lot of dirt. All cleaned up. Now if I hit the start, if you listen to it, you'll hear the valve clicking. There you go. Stop. And start. There you go. There's a little click. Obviously the valve is opening now. But it just needed a clean. Remember, these two diesel cars do clog up, so it's only best to clean it and then put it back. I'm sorry I didn't show you the video on how you can take it off, but it's not the hardest thing in the world, but you can get to it, I guess.